Hi guys, Naraga here, back again finally after being under the weather for the first part of the year and then emotionally under the weather and playing video games because it's been freaking cold. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I am determined to get this channel running regularly again. Currently I am at my favorite coffee shop, just waiting on the night train to come through. Brain just went out. Oh, right. My phone went out. My Samsung Galaxy S6. The charging port broke, but I am determined to remedy that. So until I can either repair it or get a new phone, I'm having to borrow phones and use my old ones. So videos may not be the best quality, but I will get some loaded for you as often as I am able. Again, don't have much fancy equipment, but hey, I'm happy with what I got. And I'm just happy to be back on YouTube again. My brain just went out. Here's hoping 2020 brings some wonderful things. And I know there are some awesome things that I'm gonna encounter. So here's hoping that I can catch them and share them with you on YouTube. I enjoy seeing you guys' videos and posts and stuff. Thank you. They've actually helped me through some of my rough times. You guys are the best. Well, I think that's about it. So until the train comes, I'm signing off. I will see you in my next videos. Bye. I just heard it. Tracks are right up here. I can hear the engine. Let's see if I can catch it. Will you hear that? Yeah, they've been doing work here. There's a train bank. So it's just one car in a caboose. So yeah, I think they've taken that out. Faster than I thought. Not bad for someone with a limp, huh? And then that's the station, the old station. And the old depot. Oh, there go the gates. I'll have to get you all a better look at the depot later. Ear rattler. Watch your ears. Sorry, y'all.